Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewer, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing crochet woman cardness designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet woman cardness designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends. Crochet fabrics adds are textile, handmade quality. Crochet gardens are fashion forward and on trends, colorful options, various yarns, color sweet. Warmth and comfort. Soft, breathable crochet fabric provide insulations, easy care, machines, washable and dryable, making them a convenient suitable for crystal dressings and formal occasions. Flying stylish designs enhance self-esteem. Handmade love, each stitch depends, cares and attractions. Personal experience reflects personal styles and taste. Natural fabrics choices honors chemical-free yarns and zebra crochet fabric reduce skin irritations, rash. Open front categories, easy to wear styles and button from categories, classic themeless designs, lace trims, garnish, delight feminine details in category, textures, patterns, crochet, overlaid categories, campaigns, crochet with others materials. Cottons and cotton buns, soft and breathable, and the absorbents actually blends trouble, easy to care for, and affordable. Many wool and the blend warm, lightweights, and the mystery Viking bombo and bam, and the SEO friendly, soft and breathable. Silk and silk blends. Luxury, soft and warm, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet and triple crochet. Single crochet grades are Danish flexible fabrics, provides a slightly looser, more textures fabric. Choices suitable yarns, weight and the hook size. Consider body types and fit preference. Use sturdy steams and joiners. Block finish categories and the from professional finish adds custom details, button and embroidery crochet woman categories. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of crochet designs. So like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with my friends, and remember, may you receive soon. We will take care, and Allah Hafiz.